Transferring money from Cash App to your debit card is a simple process. First, you're going to open up Cash App on your mobile device, and you're going to ensure that you're logged into your account. On the home screen, you're going to tap on the balance in the lower left corner to view your Cash App balance. Now, once you've accessed the balance, you're going to select the option to cash out. Okay, now you will then be prompted to choose how much money you wish to transfer. Enter the amount and you will be presented with two options, standard or instant. The standard option is free, but the transfer can take 1 to 3 business days to complete. If you prefer to receive money immediately, you can select instant, though there will be a small fee associated with this option. After making your selection, choose the debit card where you want the funds to be deposited. And if you have not already linked a debit card to your Cash App account, you can do so by selecting Link Debit Card and following the prompts. Once linked, you're going to confirm the transfer and your money will be sent to your debit card. Keep in mind that the transfer times may vary depending on your bank and the method that you choose. And let me know if this helped.